Hey sweeties, if you're interested in this headband wig that you can style in so many versatile, wonderful ways, keep watching.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Sugar here. I hope you're doing amazing as always. And today we're doing another headband wig. This wig is from Mebeli. And this is a 24-inch deep wave. And this is a synthetic headband wig. It comes with the wig itself and this stocking cap. So let's go ahead and put it on. You get 3 combs in the top, 1 comb in the back and adjustable straps, and you also have the band attached with Velcro at the end. Okay guys, so this is it on, and this is the headband that it comes with. Again, this is 24 inches of hair. I feel like it's definitely big head friendly because I feel like I can pull it down even more. You know how your like wig cap bunches up if you don't have it like all the way on your head? So if you have a lot of hair or you have a larger head, this one could be really, really good for you. Okay, and this is half up, half down. I could have did it better, but I'm just trying to show you guys that you can do it. And it is completely covered in the back. There's no tracks showing or anything like that. Okay, you guys, so my final thoughts on this hair would be, this is definitely a great deal. You're getting exactly what the human hair headband wigs are giving, but without spending the price. Sometimes they can get still a little bit pricey for a wig without lace. So this is great for people that love lace but want to use the headband wig for days that they don't have on their lace or just need something to throw on really quickly. If you want to try the headband wig but don't want to spend that type of money, this is a great dupe in my opinion. There is a lot of wear that you can get out of this hair, and it's very soft. It does not feel synthetic. Like this could really pass for some human hair, to be honest with you. And if you ever wanted to straighten this hair, it is heat resistant, so you're still getting longevity and wear out of this hair even if it starts to get tangled and matted. Even though this texture feels really good, I don't see it doing that, but you know, sometimes synthetic hair does. So this will be really good just in this style, and then once the style looks a little busted, you can straighten it and keep it going, you know. For $20, I feel like that's a really good deal. I want to say thank you to Mebeli Hair for sending me this cutie, and I will see you guys in the next one. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, and share this video. And until next time, stay sweet.